Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Cash App. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just to download your application from your mobile. So simply you cannot uh, create your account anymore from the web. So you will be needing to create account from your mobile. And basically just go to your uh, App Store or Play Store and then get your Cash App by clicking on open. You will start having this view. And basically, there are two elements with what you can start creating your account or to signing up for Cash App. Either you can use your mobile number or your email. So after you entering your either your mobile number or email, you will be prompted or you will be sent a confirmation code to your mobile number. So basically, after you add in your confirmation code, you will need just to click to next, and then you will pass to the step where you will need to link your account. And basically, by adding your debit card number or your account number, etc., you will need just to click on next. Or you can simply click on skip, and you can do that later. So after that, you will be needing to add your information or your personal information such as your legal name and hashtag or username that you can start using for a transaction. And then you can skip this step. And after that, you will be able to start using your Cash App. And basically now you can be able to start getting your Cash App card. You can start sending money. You can request money, etc. So as you can see, there are many features that you can start using here in the Cash App. You can go to settings, etc., etc. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.